Man, I just want to show you all something. I saw it on another video of a guy that fixes boats down here in Key West. Now you can see they got the trash and they've been cleaning up. So there was a few more, but I guess they're gone. But this one, that one especially. Cuban refugees. This, I guess you could call it a boat. They just put together whatever they could. Look at the tar. Just to try and seal it up so they can come from Cuba. An old motor. Look at that. Just jugs of fuel, diesel fuel. This is the wildest thing. But this is an old Cuban. This is I'm touching something that came from Cuba. Right here. They just find whatever wood and tar it up. Try and make it to the US. So that's pretty cool. That is just really cool. I mean, it's sad, but it's cool that, you know. And this is another one that apparently came from Cuba. Right here. Here's one. Oh, this is it. This is it. Styrofoam blocks. Styrofoam blocks with a prop shaft. Just trying to get from Cuba to the US. Anything they can to get out of there. Look at that. Sheet metal tin. Anything they can make. There it is, another piece from Cuba. That one too. That one there has been cut. But yeah. Anything that they can get to float. It's crazy. Let's see if we can get. Yeah, look, in the bottom, it's just metal with pallets or something. Just metal. Styrofoam block. That's crazy. All right, I'm gone now.